Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Quest, and today I'll be doing number 9 from quiz chapter 27. The question goes as follows. A vertical wire carries a current vertically upward in a region where a magnetic field vector points north. What is the direction of the magnetic force on this current? So we're going to be using the right hand rule, and just to make it a little easier, we're going to be making here a little compass, right? A little compass here. Alright, make this north. Alright, and then the rest is, south, east, and west. So so basically we have the current, like it said. So the current is vertically upwards. So just for reference, this is north for me. Straight towards the camera. Vertically upwards, right, we have the current, which is the thumb. And then it says that the magnetic field the vector points north. So the only other thing we have to do is, curve our hand, which is to the left, right? So to the left of north, like we can see right here, is west, which is why it gives us points towards the west. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.